So hello guys, here is yet another impactful video on how I got a total of 34RR trading GBP USD. You know, as I do it here, I don't gatekeep. I show you how exactly the way I trade. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do well to subscribe, and also kindly like the video so that the video can rank high, so we can get to 1000 subscribers. As I promised, the moment we get to 1000 subscribers, I will be coming live daily. So guys, do well, smash that subscribe button. Let's get to 1000 subscribers. In this video, I'll be showing us how I got a total of 34RR trading GBP USD. A very simple strategy I use to trade the financial market. And so, if you haven't watched my videos on high probability point of interest and directions, this video might seem a little bit difficult for you, although the strategy is simple. But I do advise you go back to watch the video on high probability point of interest, so you will be in the same level as everyone, and so you can also make money from the market. So guys, let's clear the charts as we explain how I got the total of 34RR. Those in my Telegram community can attest to the fact that we all got these sales on GBP USD last week. So let me clear the chart. And if you haven't joined the Telegram community, check the description of the video. The link to the Telegram community is in the description of the video. Follow the Telegram community so we can make money together. And also, subscribe to this channel. Most importantly, let's get to 1000 subscribers so we can be trading live every single day. So now, this will be like the thought process I use in getting the 34RR trade. So first of all, I always advise, when you come to the charts, the first thing you do is go to your higher time frame to confirm your higher time frame directions. Your higher time frame directions is really important. So what do? We go to a weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we check for rejections, and right here is our rejection. We got a rejection right here. So you know, as we do it, weekly reject weekly, what are we going to, what time frame are we going to check our breakout? Daily. If weekly reject weekly time frame, daily breakout. Higher time frame rejections, lower time frame breakouts to check our direction. So since weekly reject weekly, we go to daily time frame to confirm the breakout. So guys, here is the breakout on the daily time frame. This is our daily. I used a different tool. This right here is the daily breakout, our BOS, our daily breakout, which is our major breakout. So daily breakouts, weekly reject weekly, daily breakout. So after we have gotten our breakouts, we are now sure that we are bearish. So what do we look for? We look for more sales since we are bearish. So where do we go to next? We go to the 4-hour time frame to check for our POI, our point of interest. And what is our point of interest? A high probability point of interest. So if you haven't watched my videos on high probability point of interest, I advise you go and watch the video on high probability point of interest. It will give you a broad knowledge on how we trade our strategy. The strategy is very simple. Just go watch the video on high probability point of interest, directions, and also confirmation, and so you understand exactly the way we trade. So here, can you see high probability point of interest? 10 seconds, guys. 10, 9, 8. Spot the high probability point of interest. If you can see it, say yes in the comment section so I know you are seeing the point of interest. 4, 3, 2, 1, guys. Okay guys, let me show you the high probability point of interest, but I know that you saw it. So please, if you saw the high probability point of interest before I show it, please do well to say it on the comment section. It will encourage me, and it will make me know where we are lacking and what I can teach next. You get me? So if you understand the high probability point of interest, just type yes in the comment section so I will understand. And so what is a high probability point of interest? A high probability point of interest is a point of interest that sweeps liquidity, breaks structure, and leaves liquidity resting below or above our point of interest. So can we see it here? Yes. So let me expand the chart like this so we can see. High probability point of interest is a point of interest that, one, sweeps liquidity. We have our sweep of liquidity right here. Sweeps liquidity. Next, what is our next criteria? Break structure. We have our break of structure here. Break of structure here. Let me try to straighten it. We have our break of structure right here. We also had the major break of structure there, but let's leave it as simple as possible. And then we have liquidity, a trend line liquidity, first pullback. I explained it during the high probability point of interest. We have our liquidity resting right here. Our liquidity here. So what do? We mark the apex level as our point of interest. From the comment, the comment of the last video, somebody asked me what is an apex level. An apex level is a level that has two a bullish and a bearish candlestick at the same point. That is what an apex level is. Somewhere like this, a bullish and a bearish candlestick resting at the same point is what we call the apex level. So if you asked that question last time in the comment section, I hope I answered your question. So after marking our apex level, I placed my order right from here. You can see that for those that watched, are following my channel from the first video up to the video of confirmations, I know that you have seen a confirmation entry right here. A confirmation entry showed itself right here. So there is no excuse for you saying you did not get this trade. I know that many people from the free Telegram community send me message thanking me about the trade, and I'm so happy I got such messages from you guys. It really encouraged me, and I'm really happy I got those messages. I use a 6 pip stop, stop loss, which is 60 ticks for my stop loss. 60 ticks is equal to 6 pips. So a 6 pip stop, and then take profits right on this at this low right here. So how many RR is this? You can see that this is a 21 RR, but I actually closed this at 20 RR because of the reversal. I told everybody to close it because price action was really slow. So at 20 RR. But how did I get the total of 34 RR? Now let's do it. Going to the 1 hour time frame, I entered 3 positions, which is a TP1, TP2, and TP3. So in this video, for those that are watching till this point, I will also teach you how I manage my trades. So you can see that if you are watching to this point, this is a freebies for you. So how do I manage my trade? This is my TP1, the first break of structure, the first point of the break is my TP1. My TP1 TP1 is my TP1. This is my TP1. The next break, the next swing point is the TP2, which is right here. TP2. The TP2 TP2 This is the TP2. Just understand. This zone here is the TP2, and then the last point is the TP3. And so how do I get the total of 34 RR? TP1 was a total of 4 RR. TP2 was 10 RR, and TP3, as you know, 20 RR. Those in my Telegram community will attest to the fact I took this trade and I posted it on the Telegram community. So everybody in the Telegram community don't have an option to say they did not take the trade. So if you haven't followed my Telegram community, do well to follow. I draw books and fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and I just show you basically how to trade and how to make money. The market is too big, and all of us can get money from the market, so no need to gatekeep anything. As if I make money, you also make money, we are good. So that's just the prayer. Let's all make the money, and one day we'll smile together and you appreciate me for helping you make it. So let's just do it. So now, as I promised, for those that stayed to this point, I will show you how I manage my trade. Now, the moment I hit TP1, I shift my stop loss to break even. The moment TP1 is hit, I shift stop loss to break even. If TP2 hits, I shift stop loss to TP1. If TP2 hits, I shift stop loss to TP1. And then lastly, we wait for TP3. Boom. This is how I manage my trades. First, TP1 hit, shift stop loss to break even. TP2 hit, shift stop loss to TP1 and wait for TP3. And that was how I got a total of 34 RR. I believe everyone also got this. So if you haven't followed my Telegram community yet, do well to follow, and most especially subscribe to this channel. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers, guys, so we can be coming live and trading live every single day. You can see how precise and sniper how precise this entry is. That's why I always say at Solid Trade or Solo FX Academy, we trade with precision. We predict the market with precision, and that's why I always get this sniper entry. So guys, do well to follow this channel, follow my Telegram community, subscribe, like the video, and tell me in the comment section which video you will like me to create next. And for my guy from India saying I should be creating 3 videos a week, I will try my best to do just that. Just that I have other things doing, and that is why I always post once. But I will try my best at least to post once or twice in the YouTube channel so we can grow as fast as possible. Thank you guys, and please do well to subscribe, like the video most importantly, and tell me if you love the video, and just tell me anything in the comment section. I appreciate. Thank you, and bye for now.